Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning captions on in the Zoom web portal because the meeting level toggle won't appear until account features are active. Once done, choose whether Zoom will auto-transcribe or a designated participant or third-party service will supply captions. This affects accuracy and latency. Make sure participants join on supported browsers or the Zoom desktop client, and verify permission settings so the host can assign a captioner. This prevents delays once the meeting begins. Once in the meeting, open the More menu and select Closed Captions or Live Transcript so the feature appears to participants. Then assign someone as the captioner by selecting their name or enable auto-transcription for immediate machine captions. This trade-off is speed versus accuracy. If you use a third-party captioning service, paste the provided API token into the dialog box or start the cloud integration. This routes captions into the meeting in near real time, reducing manual workload. You and participants view captions by clicking Live Transcript and choosing Show Subtitles or Enable Full Transcript. This gives readable on-screen text and a downloadable file. Make sure you save the transcript during or after the meeting if you need a record, because some auto captions are ephemeral. If captions stop, first recheck host permissions and whether the captioner is still assigned, then confirm network stability and, if needed, turn Live Transcript off and on again. That simple reset often resolves timing and connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.